everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have not yet liked, share, and subscribe, please do it so that it will be helpful for me to do more and more videos like this. If you feel my videos are a bit slow, you can go for a play speed and you can choose for a 2 and 1.5 so that it will be faster also. Okay, you can learn a lot of topics from my videos. Okay, if you go to this is my channel. If you go to the channel playlist, you'll be getting four different types of playlist: trading topics, zero the features, also hedging options, futures and options, hedging strategies also I have discussed, and also lot of strategies with the sensible paper trading also I have discussed. You can check it out, and also if you wanted to invest in US stock market, that is also available here. You can check it out all these playlist. Let's jump into the topic.
So today's agenda is that if you are a trader or intraday trader or a futures and options trader, how exactly you should check your profit and loss statement. Okay. In Zerodha, basically, the broker which I'm showing it to you is the Zerodha. So for an example, take that on Friday, yeah, 25th actually. So I made some trades. Okay, so for that trade, what is my profit and loss? I want to check it, the statement exactly, which is calculated and finalized by the broker. Okay, sometimes what will happen, in the real-time market there will be some other values, and brokers exactly matching those values. Sometimes there will be delay from the client side, or from both the side, to and fro motion, I can say. Okay, so that time there will be some delay or some difference in the prices. That's why they're going to calculate based on once the market is closed. Okay, so if I want to check my previous profit and loss, basically, just go to here, any window you can come here. I will be in a position window. uh, you can go to analytics here. Okay, so in the analytics, in the reports, I will go report P and L. So in the P&L, if you want to check the equity profit and loss, okay, as of now, we will check the equity profit and loss. This is the profit and loss combined, but I want the realized profit and loss, not the unrealized. Combined means it is a combination of realized and unrealized. Okay, I'll take the realized. That means whatever the profit booking I made, I will take this one. Okay, so next, you need to select a particular date range. From what date to what date you want this P&L statement. Okay, it is just like a bank statement. They are giving it. It is very useful. Also, you can check your order details, the strike price, everything you can check it here. Okay, as of now, I will be selecting only from 25th to 26th. 26th anyhow Saturday, but I will keep it as default. It will take 25th only. Yeah, you can see it here. Okay, so I made some trades actually. So this is what we can get it, the statement here. If you keep the cursor here, you can see the statements. Okay, what are the charges made by different charges made by Zerodha, or any the GST tax? All those details you will be getting it here. Okay, this is only for that particular day which we have selected. So yeah, this is what, but you can see, since the charges are more here, I mean 289 loss. Okay, so what I will do, I will go for a futures and options here. Okay, if you are trading in commodity, you can select a commodity. You can, if you have exited some positions, you can go for mutual fund also. You can check the daily statements. I will select the futures and options. I'll keep the same date here. If I execute it, then you can see I had a loss of 916.45 rupees. What are the charges? You can see here. These are the charges they made. I have paid 440 rupees for Zerodha only because I made a lot of trades. So this is how uh, exactly the statement, the daily statement or monthly statements also you can get it. My voice is bit low, pardon me. So if you want to get the statement of a current financial year, there is a financial year option as well. Also we have previous financial year and last 30 days and 7 days. Okay, so that's it. If you have liked the video, please subscribe it, like, share it, subscribe. If you have any doubts in Zerodha or Sensible or any brokers, you can comment out. Okay.